service in Lusk,
Oh, what the fuck?
a special marine warning for coastal waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Tampa Bay waters. Waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 4:45 p.m. At 3:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Indian Rocks Beach to 26 nautical miles southwest of Longboat Pass, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations and paths include Teresita Bay, D5 Reef, Manatee Nearshore Reef, Englewood, Howard Franklin Bridge, Madeira Beach Reef, Longboat Key, Venice Inlet, Cockroach Bay, MD1 Reef, M7 Reef, Anna Maria Island, M8 Reef, M17 Reef, Passagrille Channel, Southwest Channel, D6 Reef, M1 Reef, Tampa Bay, and Hillsborough Bay. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.